Hi guys, today I'll show you this project after we put concrete for footers and we put the rebar, vertical rebar, the dowels for the mason work. And you can see here we started to erect the steel structure for the building. Yeah, you can see here we put one anchor bolt to grade, like that's what we did always for a steel structure, the vector painted with orange. So all of them we just set one to grade to level, and then they will take care, level the rest, the three rest. You can see here footers, and then we set, because here in this project you can see the steel structure is deep on top of footers. Like here there is no pier boxes like other projects. That is the both side. Yeah, you can see, that you can see rebar, three rebar at the corner. That's for mason work. And here, as I said, in this project we set the steel structure on top of footers. There's no pier boxes. It's designed to be like this. And now we are using crane, large crane here, the erector crew. That's for this building. Okay. The steel structure is there. Everything will be good. Okay. Look, started to erect the steel structure, the vertical columns, and then we'll do the horizontal, the girts. Take care.